Welcome everyone. I have here today ECX Temper Gen 2 rock crawler unboxing. I just picked this up at the hobby shop today. Had them order it for me from Horizon Hobbies. So, in the box, this is what you got. Take it out of the box. You have your radio. ECX radio. Looks like a Spectrum, basically knockoff. Controls, trims. Steering feels good. You have your standard wall charger, your manual, 4 batteries, receiver antenna, straw, fine plug. Alright, let's take this off real quick and let's do a really quick overlook. Okay, welcome back. So, I already charged the battery for this. It's underneath the hood. This is plastic LEDs, but everything, the chassis and everything is aluminum and steel. What caught me is this little Velcro. Undo that, pull your battery out, charge it, whatever. Bam. Cut my straw down shorter. I shoved my antenna back in there, tucked underneath, because I don't like it too tall. I don't like it above the chassis or the body of the vehicle. This is all-in-one receiver ESC. You can look on the box, but there's a little motor underneath, 380 sized motor, brushed. These are drive shafts are plastic. That's steel going into the rear diff and also going into the front diff. I watched a few places on YouTube saying something about if you take your diff apart, you might have to put some grease in there. There's talk that they come with lack of grease. This is my first crawler. Comes with a stock Spectrum servo, plastic horn. I'll be upgrading the servo and horn as stuff breaks, and I will be showing videos of everything. Right out of the box, the suspension seems pretty stiff. I mean, it doesn't move much, but what makes up for it is these really soft tires. These are stock beads. Plastic wheels. I'll be updating to aluminum wheels and probably some brass inserts for some hubs. I already got some titanium screws. These have been told that they break off into the spindles, and I'll be bending this front steering bar because I'm told that it hits. Let's check it out. Oh, I see right there. See right there where it rubs. So we'll just bend this out, give it some movement, and then also there's some videos on YouTube on shaving off with a Dremel on your spindles. But this looks like aluminum, plastic plastic chassis, but main structure's all aluminum. Alright. Stay tuned for a review video. Thanks for watching. Subscribe, like. Thank you.